In cybersecurity, the kill chain is the stages of an information systems attack. Developed by Lockheed Martin as a security framework for incident detection and response, the cyber kill chain is comprised of the following stages: reconnaissance, weaponization, delivery, exploitation, installation, and command and control, and last but not least, the actions that are being taken. The reconnaissance stage is in where the attacker gathers information about the target. The weaponization stage is in where the attacker creates an exploit and malicious payload to send to the target. Stage 3 is the delivery, in where the attacker sends the exploit and malicious payload to the target by email or other method. Exploitation is where the exploit is executed. Installation is the stage in where the malware and backdoors are installed on the target. Command and control is the stage in where the remote control of the target is gained through a command and control channel or server. After that, the attacker performs malicious actions like information theft or executes additional attacks on the devices from within the network by working through the kill chain stages again.